Hello my dear friends and welcome to a brand new unboxing episode. Today we have Nezuko from Demon Slayer. Oh yes, Japanese style. I bought her in Japan. I was one time at a claw machine, this scamming machine, how I call this, and no chance to catch this. And then I was in Akihabara. This is a city full of toys. And then I found her for a very good price. 1,480 yen. This is exactly $10 for this beauty. I hope it's not a shitty ripoff Wish style. Let's see together how it looks and how it feels. So first let's take a look at this beautiful and amazing box. Vibration Stars, Bandai Namco. Here we can see the figure as an artwork. Here is the figure. It looks nice. It looks detailed. Here are those Japanese leathers. I don't understand. Don't forget the scissors, my dear friend, like always, so it will be much easier to open this. Oh. So now I ripped it and now I can rip everything. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Okay, nothing more inside. Let's take a little cut here. And the rest, rip it. Okay, so it's in some parts. It's in 3 parts with the base, and here's the head. So let's open the base first. Oh, it's a 4th part. Okay, cool. This is like the stand. Yeah, you can stick this in her and then stick it on this. Okay, let's see the base. Huh? Nothing written on it. Why not? Strange. Okay, let's see the body first. Okay, not bad. Wow, look at those nails. Are very sharp. Huh. It can hurt, so you can stitch some ice out of someone. We don't see her pants here, nothing. Interesting, but this tattoo here, it's cool. Look at her socks. Also very detailed. I like this pattern here on her outfit. Yeah, it feels not bad. It's plastic, but cool, yeah. So hard plastic. Cool. What do you think, guys? Write in the comments below. So let's see the head. Okay. Oh yeah, boy. Okay, I have to say, my dear friends, I like the paint job here. Look at those details. The eyes are stunning. Cool. This horn is also very cool. Look at those little ripples. Or how do you say this? Cool. My English is not my mother language. That's why I'm speaking so strange. But I hope everyone can understand me, my dear friends. So let's put her head on. Yeah, boy. Cool. I like this wavy hairstyle, and here under her chin. It looks cool, man. I like it. Yeah. Because I didn't have some Demon Slayer merch, nothing. You stick this in her ass. Okay. Interesting. When you stick it in her ass, then you can stick it here. Yeah, you see, this one is a little bit cheap, shitty. I don't like this so much, the base without nothing on it. But it's okay for this price. So for $10, I would say this is a perfect figure. awesome. So, and now comes the most difficult part of today. Where to put her? Where? Tell me guys, where? Everything is full. My shelves are full. Maybe to this beautiful artwork. It looks a little bit like her, but no, this space is reserved for this huge Ahsoka Tano. So I think I will put her here next to 1000's Hammerhood. Yeah, it's a good space here. Here is also Chainsaw Man and Sailor Venus, my favorite from the Sailor Moon series. So take one other look. What do you think, my dear friends? Write in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, my dear friends. And of course the ringing bell, so you don't miss any new amazing unboxing videos. See you next time. Peace.